Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make rice, cauliflower, and chicken. Alright, start off with a pound of chicken breast. Now if you have a meat tenderizer, you want to make sure to flatten out the chicken breasts so they cook evenly. You can also cut them very thinly, or do like I did and buy them already cut. You want to do that so you can make sure that they cook evenly and they cook quickly. So once you add all these ingredients, you mix them up and you're going to store them in the fridge for about an hour so that they can marinate. Now let's start cutting up these vegetables. I like these colorful vegetables because they bring my plate alive. They make it look more vibrant and more interesting, and it's also more nutritious. So cut up all your vegetables. Cilantro is optional. I know some people can't stand it, so leave it out if you can. Get your cauliflower ready, grate it by hand or use a food processor with a grate attachment. Then let's start cooking this cauliflower. Now, cayenne pepper is optional. You know, like myself and Marilyn Monroe, some like it hot. You can leave it out if you don't like it spicy. Go ahead and saute your vegetables. I use a different pan to saute my vegetables because vegetables tend to give off a lot of water, and I don't want my plate to be soggy. You know, just a soup. You know, I want fried cauliflower rice. So go ahead and mix everything together and start with your chicken. If you did it right, 4 minutes per side, just about. Take them off. Make your eggs. It's optional as well. Start building your plate up. And I'm gonna give you a moment to guess how much this plate costs per serving.
The actual retail price of your showcase is
Dun 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 dun. Thanks for stopping by. I'll have more content coming to you in the future.